What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Make Money Monetizing, and today I'm going to take a look at the channel that had previously gotten demonetized, and I had said I was going to delete all the videos that had copyright or had been come up or had strikes, copyright strikes, geez. And so I'm going to take a look at what happened, and I actually saw that this morning, as you can see, sorry, that's blocking me. As you can see right here, I deleted all the videos that I had previously. Now I only have 3 videos, but really the only video that I needed to remain on the channel was this one right here. The reason why is because this one had no copyright strikes at all, neither did these videos, and with these 3 videos alone, specifically this one, I met all the requirements for the YouTube partner program. So if you can see right here, in the last 365 days, I have 5.5 thousand subscribers and 56.9 thousand hours of watch time. And those are the requirements, or it meets the requirements of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I knew that there was a possibility that if I deleted all the videos, I would be able to reapply to the YouTube Partner Program. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but it ended up working. As you can see right here, we are now accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, and we should be getting paid. Now, setup is being in process. There's no action needed right now. I did have to go through and accept a few things for the watch paid ads and the short ad feeds. It's pretty much just accepting to the terms and services, and I just really had to accept. I'm not really sure about starting any memberships or anything like that, so I'm just gonna leave it at this because we'll see what ends up happening in the future. But yeah, we are officially back into the YouTube Partner Program, so we'll see. I'm gonna start posting again on this channel, and we're gonna slowly see how it ends up growing. But make sure to stay tuned and check out how this video does in the future, because or this channel does moving forward, because it's been a while since I've posted, but I think it's time to get it back up and running, especially since I'm now re-accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So make sure to stick around for the next video, guys. I'll see you. Peace.